Good day to you. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, sir. My name is Pasita Ibarra Palatao, 39 years old, married. I have 2 sons. I am Roman Catholic. I live in San Isidro, Isabela, Philippines. I am college graduate. I took up associate in restaurant management.
Okay. Can you tell me your work experience?
I work as domestic helper in UAE for 6 years and 8 months. I serve 5 members of the family, 2 adults, 2 children, and 1 newborn baby. My duties are take caring children, cooking food, cleaning the house, ironing, washing clothes, car washing.
Okay. In your previous employer, how would you take care of the children, especially when sick?
I take care of the children, especially sick. I am checking the body temperature.
Okay. How would you describe yourself?
I am patient, honest, and hardworking.
Do you have any tattoo?
No, sir.
Do you have surgery or serious sickness before?
No, sir.
Do you have an allergy to certain food?
No, sir.
Do you smoke and drink alcohol?
No, sir.
Why do you want to work abroad?
Because I want to earn high salary to give high education to my 2 sons.
Okay. If you get hired, who will take care of your children?
My mother-in-law and my husband.
If you're homesick, what would you do?
I will focus in my work.
Okay. What time do you usually sleep and wake up when you were working?
I sleep 11 o'clock in the evening and I wake up 5 o'clock in the morning.
Are you the one who do the cooking and marketing at home?
Yes, sir.
Sometimes kids are super active and they tend to be out of control. How would you control your temper?
Be patient.
Okay. Do you accept no day off but to be paid instead by your employer?
Yes, sir.
When you visited the parents, relatives, and friends of your employer, will you help and do the housework there?
Yes, sir.
Can you promise not to lend money in Hong Kong?
Yes, sir.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, sir.
Are you willing to share a room with kids?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise not to use cell phone during working hours?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise to finish your contract?
Yes, sir.
Can you cook Chinese food?
No, sir. But I'm willing to learn.
Can you sing a nursery song?
Yes, sir.
Sing it.
Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. Little Johnny wants to play. Rain, rain, go away.
Okay, what is your message to your future employer?
To my future employer, please hire me because I am hardworking, patient, and honest. I will do my duties and responsibilities, and also I will follow your rules and regulations. Thank you and God bless.
Okay.